Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're building a high temperature indicator using an Arduino Mega, an LM35 temperature sensor, an LED, and a buzzer. When the temperature rises above a safe limit, this project automatically gives a visual and audio alert. Here's what you'll need: Arduino Mega, LM35 temperature sensor, 5-volt buzzer, LED, 220-ohm resistor, breadboard, and jumper wires. Wiring the sensor and indicators: LM35 VCC to 5 volts, LM35 GND to GND, LM35 output to A5, then LED anode to digital pin 3 through a 220-ohm resistor, LED cathode to GND, buzzer positive to digital pin 4, buzzer negative to GND. Here is the circuit diagram, and here is the epic montage of the physical connection. How was it? If it is cool, give a like. Now it is time to code. First, see this montage. Then I will break down the code and explain to you. If you want the code, links in the description. Now let me break the code. We assign pins for the LM35, LED, and buzzer. Set the pin modes and start the serial monitor. We read the analog signal and convert it to temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. These values are printed to the serial monitor so we can monitor it live. If the temperature crosses 30 degrees Celsius, both LED and buzzer get activated as alerts. Let's test it out. I'm going to warm the sensor with my fingers, and boom! The LED turns on and the buzzer alerts us. Once it cools down, everything turns off automatically. And that's how you build a simple but effective temperature alarm system with Arduino. A great beginner project that teaches analog sensors, digital outputs, and real-world alerts. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome DIY electronics projects. See you next time.